Okay, this is my current washroom. Of course, I took the door off, and I took all this stuff down. These were actually across this little basket up here. It was up here. All of this stuff was up here. And now I am going to clean it up. I just got this new wash stuff. You know, this is just more detergent and stuff. I want to get this stuff together. This drill and spray paint, all of that stuff was across the top of here, so I want to get that out of here. This is all socks for the most part, so we need to get this eliminated. I need to figure out this situation, so let's clean this mess. So again, like, this is the ironing board. You really before didn't see it because it was behind the door that was right here, but now I need to figure it out. I had bought a thing for the wall to hang it on the wall, but it didn't work and I ended up taking it back. But maybe I'll have to go get another one now that I take the door off. You guys, I wanted to share this with you. This is a light bulb. It is a LED light which also floats in the pool water. It comes with this LED remote. Look, you turn it on and you can put it on different settings. It strobes, it flashes. You can change it to whatever color you like. This is what it do: flash, strobe, fade, and smooth. Those are the different settings. LED is 8 inches, and these are all the different colors, and you can make it brighter or you can turn down the light. Right now I believe it's on flash, and if I strobe it, it's like a disco ball. And you can fade, you can just select one color. It also is rechargeable. This is what the back the bottom looks like here. So it comes with a plug for the wall as well, and also you can put it into the pool. It's waterproof. You guys, I'm so excited about this. I am all for lighting. So here's the plug right here, and this is the remote, and then you can charge it up, and as you see, it's running right now with nothing. This is straight out the box. I haven't charged this ever since I received this, so this is straight out the box. And you can also cut it on and off from the bottom if you just so happen don't have your remote in front of you. But I thought I'll share. I'll link it below. I also have a promotion code for 12% off. I'll have all the information down in the description box. But cookouts, this would be so cute on like a table, a party table, a kid's birthday, whatever you guys have going on. But I thought I'll share. I love it. My kids want this in their room. You can also use it as a kid nightlight as well. So I'll have it linked below. Thank you very much, Loft Tech, for sending this out to me. This is what it looks like right here. So I'll have the promotion, the discount, all of that linked down below. Now let's get into this makeover. All right, so I just went to Walmart and grabbed this bookshelf. It was like 20 bucks. I couldn't debate if I wanted this one or, you know, they have the cubed shelf as well, but I went on and went with the bookshelf because it was just a tad bit wider. They pretty much had the same dimensions. This has a back and the cube didn't, but I just went with this, and I'm just going to remove this. This just was what I used to use in Germany. It has like rubber gloves and reusable bags we used to use when we were over in Germany. And then that's lint and stuff from the dryer that I need to clean out. This wash machine actually just got through leaking because we washed a load. I went here and I was draining out of my wash machine, but I didn't tighten it back up, and it was water everywhere. So we were mopping, we have towels down. So I guess this was a perfect time to clean this out. So I need to finish moving this out because I know it's a whole bunch of water under here. Well, it was a perfect time to get back here and clean. Look at all that lint and stuff that's down here on the floor. Piece of candy. So now push the wash machine out. I'm gonna wipe down all of this dust and wipe the baseboards down, and then we'll get some putting everything together. Okay, so the bookshelf slash my little laundry cart is here. I'm gonna figure out how to disguise it. I'm gonna put some, maybe the vase or something back up here, but I got it perfectly organized. I mean, you know, as best as I can. So all of this is our laundry stuff, essentials. I put this tray just so the detergent don't drip, because I have kids and I just know that they are a little bit careless. So I just like, this is marble, and this is a great addition here. It doesn't really coordinate, so I'm thinking about maybe spray painting it or something, but it is marble. Perfect for my drill and batteries. This little thing worked out well because I had to measure and put the urn here, and so that little space worked out for all of the battery packs and chargers for the drill. What's on this shelf, and then, you know, if I needed to add an additional detergent or more of these little beads. See, you see I mix mine and I just put them in the laundry and it smells good, so I just added in the Gang, but I usually use the Bounty. I love the little Snuggle Plus. I usually get the other one, but this one, it smells so good, but I ended up just getting the original one, but they didn't have it, so I got this one. Definitely worth looking into. All right, now going forward, I placed these up here. This was my whole motivation, actually, was these mirror frames. You know, I had put these were in my kitchen, but I decided I'm gonna add them here in my laundry room. So for the last few days, I just placed them up here, and I was playing with, I'm going to actually hang them on the wall because I don't want, this is our back door and we use this, the garage door, and I don't want like somebody slam it and they slide or whatever. So that's one reason I have put these, just to make sure they wouldn't slide while I see if I was actually going to keep them here. All right, so anyways, this is my whole inspiration on getting my laundry room together so I can get my pictures up on the wall. So I'm gonna get them hung best as possible. Alrighty, so I just went into my decor closet, my little stash, and pulled out a few things, and I'm gonna play around with some of this stuff, like adding some greenery on the machine. I still have one or two of these left over. This stuff is like super old, but I just keep it as like little fillers. I thought about putting like wash, dry, fold in here, print it out and put it in here. I think I'm gonna put that on top of the wash. I have this little greenery that I already had like little faux succulents in there. I may put this tray, that tray, I don't know. So this is just some of the stuff right here, as well as this little tray. I did have this up there, but I pulled it down, and then I have this right here. I'm just playing around with it, you guys. So let's do this. Okay, so I think I'm gonna leave it like this, and definitely we're gonna get Angie changed out of here, but I'm gonna have it say wash, dry, and fold. And if this becomes a problem from taking my Dyson in and out, then I'll just remove that. Yeah, I thought I was gonna have to keep this on top of my dryer. It goes inside the dryer, and you like dry your tennis shoes, all that kind of stuff. I really didn't have nowhere to store it, but now I can place it behind this shelf because the the dryer hose is making this poke out, you see. So this would be perfect behind there. We don't ever really use this anyways, but yeah, this is a magnetic. I don't know where it came from. I think when I bought my washer and dryer, it has those magnetic things. You just stick it on there like that. So I'll get that put back on in a moment. And look at that, it fits perfect down back there. So that's that. And now I'm gonna get this together. I'm not loving this setup. I don't like the way it's looking, so I'm gonna so this makeover looks absolutely beautiful. Let me step back. Okay, it's a very small little washroom, but it looks so good now that it is completely decluttered. Everything has a home. Everything looks good. All right, let me explain what I did. So here, I didn't want to see my green detergent bottle, so these little things are literally from the dollar store. So I turned it upside down and put a little hole and put it over this tray, which, as you see, I switched it out. This was on my kitchen counter, but I guess I'll leave it here, even though I love this little thing. It's so versatile. So I guess I'll have to find one for my kitchen counter now. But these are my little things for the wash. You just stick it in there. Everything has a home. I love that. Here is the urn, first aid kits. This goes to my steam mop, and then this is a steamer. So all of this is in this little Dollar Tree thing. Now I do have other little things, but this was closed. It was convenient. It already had that stuff in there. This right here was actually up here. So at some point I may switch out those, but I like that it has a handle. It was cheap, you know, it's no big thing. This is what I did to the top of the wash machine. I left it very nice and simple. Put a tray, some faux greenery. Again, I'm going to change out that lady. And then I put this air diffuser in here because this is a high traffic area walking in and out of here. So you just want to keep it fresh. I'm still playing around with this. I really wanted to keep my vase in here because I don't have anywhere to put it or store it. So what I did, because the black looks so harsh, I took that greenery out of my living room. So this is all I had around my house. I took those out and I think it turned out really well. I left the black in there. And I got this vase from Ross years and years ago. Look at how pretty it is. It's gotten nicked from the move and all that, but it is absolutely beautiful. It's one of my favorite decor items that I own, and I've been having it for a very long time. I didn't change my pictures out really. There's the light, let me see, can you see without the glare? Well, that's the best I can do, but I didn't change really any of those photos that I originally had. I just left them in. I didn't feel like going through and trying to change them, but I actually still like them. It has that Parisian vibe and all that good stuff. I wiped down my marbled dolphin. I'm trying to repair it. You see, it also got broke by the movers. The military movers, they don't care. They just break your stuff up, honey. This is just an extra bottle of wine. I just stuck these in here. I didn't know what to do with them, but this stuff may change. It's just here because I don't really have a home at the moment right now to put it. So that's that. These were on my kitchen counter. So this stuff is like really like extra home decor that I really didn't have anywhere to put it since I did my tablescape, and it worked out perfectly in here. I love it. So it's nice, clean, and chic. I'm able to get to my vacuum. That's the garage door. That's his man cave. The ironing board is still right here. There's just like a little reef hanger that's hanging on there, but I left this so if people need to take their clothes out, we still have like it's towels in there now that needs to be folded, but I left this completely open and free. I put this here. It's only a piece of particle board just because I got kids and stuff and they throw stuff up here and I just don't want them to lose their socks. So until I figure out what do you guys put right here, you know, I don't know. I just put that piece of poster board, and I'm gonna actually have to put something right here too so we won't lose socks. But this really actually is a lifesaver because a lot of things will fall back here. So it was only one sock when I went to clean it this time. So that's on a piece of poster board. I just put the tape just to make it a little more sturdy. But that's all I had around here. Alrighty, so, oh, and this is magnetized. And this is where all of our bounce and snuggles and all that stuff go in. And then my little dryer balls. I don't know why is it a crystal in here, but that's that. So this is really, really convenient if you guys don't have it. And this is where I was able to house my little vacuum. It fits perfectly right here. Look at that there. But I'm gonna figure out this situation right here, but I don't have to see a lime green Gaines bottle. I'm all right now. So here you go. And then I just have my rug. This is like a European rug. It's super thick, so sometimes this door even gets stuck on there, but it's a really, really nice, and it's very expensive rug actually. So that's why I just left it in here. Thank you so much. I will catch you on the next one. Bye for now. Alright, you guys, I just had a aha moment, like a ingenious moment right now. Let me share. Okay, so look at what I was able to do. Look. I'm just missing my broom, and I think one of my kids was using it earlier, so I would add that in. But I am so excited. Like, I am so excited that I thought about this. So what I went to do, I went in my closet to get these hooks, right? Like this one, I don't know where this one come from, but what I'm using is a pack from IKEA. This is the name right here, from IKEA. You can get these. And what I used to do was hang my jeans. I will hang them on these little hooks right here. All right, so that's what I was like, man, let me go see if this will actually work. And as you see, they're really thick, but this one was actually too thick, and I'm glad I had this skinnier one. I'm not sure where this came from, maybe the hardware store. But what I would have done was tie a ribbon and then hook it on there if I wouldn't have had that skinnier one. But my broom will go on one of these, so I will just put that there, and then this will be, I probably have to turn it for my broom, but my broom will go right here. And look, I'm still able to store my my Dyson Motorhead is right here, so it's just stuck right there. So everything is awesome. So this is the thing for my dryer, my Swiffer, and my steam mop. Oh, I am so excited about this right now. And then I'm just missing my broom. Everything is in my washroom. It's small, it's organized, it's awesome. All right, I just had to come back on and share that with you because that was an aha moment for me. Before I go, I just want to invite you, if you're not already checked out my styling of my table. This is my last video, so make sure you check it out if you haven't already. It'll be linked below. I want to thank you so much.